Hello everyone, welcome to Dollar Tree Tuesday. So I have a small little haul for you today, but I have some new items on here that I'm really excited about. So I don't know what my favorite thing is in this haul today, but I'm just taking some things out so I can show you what I got. So the first thing I got, we're just going to get right in here, are some baskets. And this is going to be used in some organizational stuff from my bathroom that I'm remodeling. So I got this huge basket right here, the little bucket, and they didn't have too many of these left in the blue. So I was either going to get blue or white because my bathroom is kind of blue or white, and sisal color, if I'll give you any clue. Anyway, I'm going to be using this to organize my linen closet that's in my bathroom. And then I also got two of these little round baskets right here, and that's for the same thing. And then I got this little one right here. I can't decide. I think I'm going to be using this in my bathroom, either that or for a baby shower gift. I know, right? Got a baby shower coming up, and so I'm putting together a basket for that. And then also on the organizational side, I picked up these little white baskets like this, and it's the special deal, the bonus. You got 3 baskets instead of 2, and so this is going to be used in some organizational stuff as well. So let's move on. Oh yes, I picked up some shower curtain rings because I got a new shower curtain, and that's for my bathroom, of course. Then for a little gifty, this is going to go into my baby shower gift that I'm making. But this is this cute little tea light or oil warmer, and it's so pretty. It's just, it doesn't come off right on the camera, but it's this baby blue. They also have a baby pink, and they have some brighter colors in these right here, the little night light teas. But I'm going to be putting that in there with, and I don't find it in here, I took it out, a little bottle of Serenity, which is from Jute, the oil Serenity, because it really helps babies have a nice restful sleep. So I picked that up for that. And then just to tuck this in here with the decor for that basket, I picked up one of these little crosses. I think these are so cute. Now they have different colors in these, or different styles. They have this one with the galvanized metal on the front, and the person that's having the baby is a very kind of farmhouse, very rustic, and I thought this would be perfect for the baby's room. And so I picked this one up. Now they did have some that had galvanized words that said bless, and then they had another one that had a burlap bow with a button on the front of it. But this is the one that I chose because I thought it fit in my theme for a little boy, because she's having a little boy. And then I couldn't find one in blue, but I think the red will be fine as well. I picked up one of these mega carabiners. These are awesome. And I tell you, I actually got this idea from my daughter, because she even has a bigger one, but she puts these on the handle of her stroller, and then she can hook her purse to it, the diaper bag. When we go to the theme park, we hook our little, we have these drinks that have the handles on them. We hook those on there. So these come in really handy. And I know this is not something you normally think about giving for a baby shower gift, but it's really convenient to hang things on your stroller or, you know, something like that. So I picked up one of those. Okay, so the next thing that's new that I was really excited about, which I have never ever, now I have shopped at Dollar Tree 20 plus years, and I've never seen them come up with something as cute as this. Y'all ready? Look at this. It is a desktop garden flag. Now they had all kinds of styles, but I didn't care for too many, but I like this one. It says Mermaid Vibes, and it's really pretty. It has the little blue in there. And the other styles you can maybe see on the back. They have one that says you're what is it? Llama, you are amazing, with a little llama on it. Then they have one that said I don't know, Good Vibes Only or something like that. A Wild and Free, Attitude Directional with Arrows, This Girl Can, Celestial, Life is Short, Make It Sweet, and then the Mermaid Vibes. Let's see if I can get them closer without a glare and you can see. I did not pick all of them up because I didn't need all of them. So I got that. And then, yes they did, they came out with something new. I don't know what I'm going to use this for, so I only picked up a couple because I wanted to show you. But look, wired jute. What? Look at that, wired jute. Imagine all the possibilities. I wanted to get all of them, but I just couldn't afford to, and I don't know what I'm going to do with them yet. But I did pick up a couple of those because I just thought, wow, that's pretty cool. And then I just picked up some glue sticks because I needed some. I don't know why I need some. I feel like, I know I have some other ones here, but I don't know what happened to them. But I felt like I had more than that. I don't know. Okay, so the last thing I picked up were these new metallic stickers. Y'all, these are beautiful. I got to go back and get one more kind that I didn't get, but I watched Rebecca, is it Rebecca Creates? Or, no, This and That with Michelle. She's having a challenge to create toppers. And she's doing, like maybe wanting some unicorny ones, and they had some. But let me show you these stickers, y'all. Oh, they are so freaking cute. Look. Okay, so they said they're metallic foil, but look at these. They look like little stained glass. These are beautiful. They got the silver line in them, and then you can see through them. They're so cool. And like I said, they had different kinds. I only got 3 of them, but they also had unicorns, and they had pineapples. I didn't really care for the pineapples that much, and I don't know what it is. I'm just not into the unicorn craze. You know, when I was a teenager, I loved unicorns. I had unicorns, everything, but I kind of grew out of it. But then I had to pick this one up. This is more fallish, but y'all, these are just cute. Look at these little foxes. Oh my stinking stars. Look at that. How cute are those? Esteluca, I know you would love these because she loves her little foxes. But these are stinking cute. And then these are my favorite. And they're so cute. Look. Little sea life, little whale and the sailboat. Oh my goodness, these are so cute. I wish they would have had flowers, but they didn't have flowers. But these are really, really cute. I don't know what to say about these. They're just so cute. These are the coolest stickers, I think, that I've seen from Dollar Tree in a long time. I mean, yes, I love the 3D stickers, you know. Y'all, I got a ton of stickers. I'm going to have to get rid of some of them. But I just think these are the cutest little stickers. And you know you'd pay $2 or $3 for these or more at Michael's or even Hobby Lobby. So I just thought that was an incredible deal. Matter of fact, I think this is probably one of the best deals in the basket. But I don't know what my favorite thing is. I'm leaning toward the stickers because that really is my favorite thing. This is probably the most surprising thing that I found was the garden top desk. I mean, you would find something like this at, you know, one of the specialty shops or something. But at Dollar Tree, so these were really surprising to me. But I think these were my favorite things. So let me know what your favorite thing was. These are pretty cool too. So anyway, that's my little haul for you guys. And I will be back later on today with a little Dollar Tree DIY with something that I picked up in a haul, a couple of months ago. And I'm trying to work my way through my projects that I want to in my Dollar Tree. So I hope you will come back for that. Thank you all who are subscribed and support me and my channel. And if you're new to my channel, please make sure you hit that little subscribe button down there. And don't forget to tap the bell. I upload videos 3 to 4 times a week. Excuse me, depending on what my weekend was like. But I usually have a Dollar Tree haul or a Dollar Tree DIY every Tuesday. So please make sure you come back and join us. All right, guys, thank you so much. I will see you again soon. Bye.